Welcome you all in part 1 of company law. First question, dash meeting of shareholders holding a particular class of share which is held to pass a resolution which will bind only the members of class concerned. So in this question we are supposed to identify the type of meeting. So four options are there: extraordinary general meeting, class meeting, annual general meeting, and statutory meeting. So this question include class of shares, means particular shareholders are supposed to call. That's why answer is call meeting. Next question. In case of extraordinary general meeting, a company having a share capital by such of the requisition as represent either a majority in value of paid up share capital held by all of them or not less than dash dash of such of the paid up share capital of the company. Options are one half, one fourth, one tenth, and one fifth. So in case of extraordinary general meeting, as per Companies Act 1956, we required one tenth request from the out of total members. One tenth members must request for the extraordinary general meeting. So right answer is one tenth. In case of extraordinary general meeting, where the board failed to call a meeting, the meeting may be called by the requisitionist themselves within a period of dash dash from the date of the deposit of the requisitionist. So how much period is there for company to call extraordinary general meeting? So right answer is 3 months. So 3 months months are available. So after request, company must arrange extraordinary general meeting within 3 months. In case of extraordinary general meeting, if for any reason company could not call, hold, or conduct meeting, the dash dash may order a meeting of the company to be called, held, or conducted in such manner as it think fits. So who is having right to call extraordinary general meeting if company could not hold that meeting? Options are High Court, National Company Law Board, Supreme Court, and fourth option is National Company Law Tribunal. So National Company Law Tribunal is right answer because they are having authority to call extraordinary general meeting if company could not. What is section of extraordinary general meeting? So extraordinary general meeting comes under section 169. On the receipt of requisition, the board of directors shall proceed to call extraordinary general meeting within dash dash days. So 21 days is right answer. They are supposed to call meeting after 21 days. On the receipt of requisition, the board of directors shall proceed to call extraordinary general meeting, which shall not be later than dash dash of the date of deposit of the requisition. So right answer is 45 days. So they can't extend meeting more than 45 days. So right answer is 45 days. What is section of annual general meeting? So section 96 is there for annual general meeting. Annual general meeting and shall specify the meeting as such in notice called it and not more than dash dash shall elapse between the date of annual general meeting and the company. So 15 months should not be exceed the gap between two annual general meetings.